Come southward, come southward. Look northeast.
GA walking out ah.
Yeah. Wait. Carbo, offensive ka.
Yeah.
Wait.
Pick up,
Look
boy, pick
southeast
up.
on these 2 tanks. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, spread. Malayo. Yeah, come southwest. Spread, go out. Malayo. They're not gonna counter. Come on.
Patay ng guard.
Yeah, keep Qs and Ws on the birds. Yeah, Qs and Ws.
Ready yes.
Support ko, Diklam. Support Diklam para mag-guard nyo kapag nag-offensive J. Yeah, wait.
Matingin yung GA.
Makita pa ako. Sige, lang. Ready? On the J. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit on. Okay, spread. Ready to defend. Yo. Drop in Judy ako.
Nabuhay yun? Nabuhay?
No defensive,
Patay.
no defensive.
Gago, nilot niya. Sino nag-loot na? Pakitap na ako nito. Wait. Come back. Carbo. Balik. Nice.
Yung W's on the guards, boys.
Okay, sige lang. Pampastack niya sa guards. Huwag niyo masyadong patayin. Use and W slowly.
Patay
Use and W slowly.
pinaka-hapon niya.
Ready daw. Can. Careful, uphill sila. We're farming them.
Gusto mo
We're farming
i-bonk yung wall dito sa northwest, ano? May
them.
wala.
18 UTC to.
Walang bawas yan.
Ay, pwede.
5 seconds.
Walang bawas yan.
Pwede to ibong.
Parang bawas nga eh.
Nababawasan. Alam ko walang bawas yan eh.
Pwede natin to i-walk in. Antayin lang kita, ano. Pwede natin to i-walk in like legit. Their range as fuck. 10Z trigger ka. Huwag masyadong deep 10Z. Huwag masyadong deep. Okay. You need to understand kung kailan mo sila pwede i-hold. Come west.
Regrouping sila, ano, northwest.
Yeah, come west, Mar. May bilis trigger lang. Yo, careful on the wall. Come west, Mar. Guys, don't go in. Look at the walls, okay? They're ranged. Use and W's on the guards. Some people are mounted even. Use and W's on the guards. Walk. Can we walk in a bit? Yo, walk in a bit. Cleanse.
Ano din
Cleanse.
atak?
Yo, spread. Come, I'm gonna fake. Fake muna. This fake. Okay. Wait. Potion. Look north. Ready? Inside 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 hit na. Guys, come southwest.
Malayo ba ako?
Spread.
Good.
Guys, tingnan nyo kung saan ako nag-engage guys. Spread, come southwest. Maaga, root mount, maaga. Yo. Careful.
Pang ano lang, force movement lang.
Yo, spread. Just spread. You guys, you need to spread, okay? You're all clumped up too much. Yo, wait. They're looking. On the choke. Defend. Lista cancel mo. Okay. Look southeast. Walk in. Look southeast. Yung healer south. Ready? North, 5, 4, 3. Eto, 2. Nag-frag ako, yeah. Wait, inside now. Okay, spread. Come southwest, spread. Come out.
Cool down sila.
Come out. Yeah, they're fast engaged. Come out. Out. Labas. Hold ako. Come out. Eh, labas mo. Kailangan natin ng disang, pre.
Pay already.
Stop, nasan ka stop?
Nasusok ko sila, ang fuck.
Ay, kinukuha ko ba yung castle? Sige, kunin mo na yung castle. Antayin na natin. Antayin na natin.
Anemic yung engage nila mahiwaga. Pwede
Come southwest, man. Oo, come south. Kailangan nyo lang talunan yung engage guys, yung healers. Like, muntik na marami ng close call. Ready, Salo? Ready, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, come back boys.
Off time, mahiwaga. Off time.
Muhammad tayo isa.
Off time yung Miss Piercer.
Yeah.
Nakidnap niya.
Good shit. Natuktok boy.
-1. Ano lang to? Yung content namin is...
Wait.
Yung GA, southeast mo. Pwede ako mag-perma, boy.
Hold.
Nakahag lang sa wall.
Naka-perma? Sige, wait lang.
Hindi, ako pwede ko-perma yan. Yung sa may southeast
Okay.
wall. Northeast mo.
Walk in a bit nga.
Ayun na yung AFK yata.
Walk in a bit.
Sabihin mo kung gusto mo mag-catch ha.
Walk in a bit.
Eto.
Inside, wait. Spread guys. You need to spread a bit. Yeah. Kill inside. Use the W's. Hold northeast. Carbo, northeast ka. Huwag ka mag-hit.
Nakatingin ako.
Wala na GA boy. Papatay. Patay na batang tagal.
Looking.
Okay. Wait, look. Push on.
Na-stop ko, na-stop ko.
I'm gonna fake lang. Ready. Wait, inside, west, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hit lang.
Oh, stop kami.
Okay lang.
Ako lang pala.
Okay lang. Comeback. Dami hindi ako. Comeback. Yeah, come west more. Okay lang. Walang engage. 10 seconds pa. Come west more. Q's and doubles on the guards. Papatay ako ng guards. Ito, malapit na yung sa harap. So, come west more.
Ano yan?
West.
Ang obvious ang engage nila
Yeah.
perma.
Yo, kidnap pa. Ingat, Carbo. Yeah,
Pwede
nice.
ako mag-hit
Yo, di clamp masyado kayong clamp top sa outside ah. Pwede mag-hit over the wall enemy, okay? Wala yan. Wait, come west more. Spread on the west more. Wait.
dito kasi
Look, shallow. East 5, 4, 3, 2. Putang ina. Comeback.
Meron pa kayo? Meron pa naman, oh.
Wala, meron pa naman, diba? Yo. Ready, inside 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Na-stop ko.
Okay. Come back, west. Just come back. No need to walk in. Come back. Kill Carbo.
Carbo.
Come back, man. Come west, man.
Mobs ulit.
Come west, man. Yeah, kill these mother powers. Para pagdating na itong mga to, wala na yung guards. Actually guys, you need to kill these guards northwest. Kasi ito yung tutulong sa kanila later. Northwest guards. Can we go kill northwest guards? Yeah. Kiss on doubles
pitching
on
up
that.
pa.
Yeah. Carbo hold ka lang lagi southeast. Pero don't careful for kidnaps, okay? They're kidnapping people. Carving ready lang stocks always. They're spread up in north side and southeast side, okay? You need to spread, guys. You need to spread south side and north side, okay? And west. So don't get stuck. Look on the gate. On the gate. Ready? Shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, come back, boys. Come back. Yo. Ready to defend. Defend, Judy.
Dropping good.
Nice. Demons on that shit. Okay, heal up Galaxy. Heal up. Popotion ako. Sige, okay lang. Popotion ako. Kinikidnap ako. Come out now. Come west now. Kiss and double this motherfucking guard.
Ready, Listra.
Yeah.
5 seconds.
Reload yata ni Listra. Yeah. CD. Just get CD. CD. Look shallow. Shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2. Ito na lang. Okay, come back boys. Ready counter boys. Dapat to yung counter. Yo, come back. Hindi ako mamamatay. Come back. Yo, Eugene. Buti na lang may cleric kaya. Wala akong cleric na build.
Ayan sa build niya.
Tangina mo. Wala sa build pero gumala ngayon. Look south side.
Makikidnap.
Look south side. Fake ako. Fake. Northeast shallow 5. Perma 4. 3, 2. Okay, come back boys. Yo. Defend. Nice. Okay, come west more. Ayoko na nun. Pangit yun. Come west more. Ayoko na nun ya. Baka may
Wala ka
YouTube
naman
tayo ya.
May YouTube. Uy, naka-live ako rin.
Nakalive ko. Tangina na to, gusto kong patayin to eh. Putang na mayabang eh. Oh.
Kitapin ko nga itong roof.
Kidnapin mo. Get ready for fast countdown. So. Ito yung Eros oh. Oh, fake. Ready inside 5, 4, kill yung 3, 2, 1 hit lang. Tanga.
Ang ino mo. Sabay
By
loot
the
yung
way,
kasama.
Off-time shaper, off-time miss piercer.
You're looking to engage.
Ito, long boy ah.
Engaging na ako.
Yo, defend on that motherfucker. Nice. Walk in northeast. Walk in Carbo. Delay them.
5 seconds
Delay
carving. 5
Delay them.
seconds.
Wait, I'm gonna fake.
Nag-root ball niya.
Okay.
Ako yun.
Inside ready? 5,
Ito, kanina.
4, 3, 2, 1 hit lang. Ang daming CC. Come back. Ready sock. Come out. Come out, potion kayo. Potion come out.
Wala ko yung
Ready,
pin,
demons.
wala ko yung pin.
Drum Judy.
May info pala ako,
Come out. Yo, defend. Uncle. Heal up. Okay, heal up. Okay, out. Pangit.
Aga perma ko dun, ah.
Pangit. Labas. Na-heal ako yan. Sorry. Kaya bumagal.
Good.
Pag bumabagal yung countdown, heal. Okay, may another fake ako. Fake ako ah. Wait. Okay. Next engage. Ready. Ay, lumabas.
Tatakot na.
Look southeast. Perma ako. Perma engage. Ready? Southeast 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, come back. Galaxy, wag mong ganyan eh. Pupo yung inom.
Pa-help nga ako.
Carbo.
Let's go. Ready support on Carbo. Yo, not all. Only
Green.
Palit. Yo, come out. Over the wall, careful, come out.
5 seconds, Carvin.
Okay lang, huwag nyo masyado patin para sa Royal Armor.
Ito yung guards. Ito. Dito kayo magpa-stop dito.
Southeast sila.
Inching yan. Mga
Magbe-bait lang yan. Wag
Ditang walking southeast ha.
Yeah, magbe-bait lang yan. Come west.
Pwede ka mag-lex sa Northwest gate, all good.
4 minutes, ano?
Ito.
4 minutes 7-4.
Yeah, careful. Don't get baited.
Look
Guys,
at
okay? May stuck carving.
Meron.
Okay, wait lang. Pa-offensive heal yun ako doon sa enemy sa gate. Ready? Northeast 5, 4, 3, headbutt, 2, 1. Okay, brawl. Ito, brawl nyo to. Ito yo.
Isa pa.
Brawl.
Brawl. Okay, kidnap. Ito, kay Kishi Nadal. Wait, yo, careful. They have faster
Para mga 3
engage.
seconds.
Careful. Come back.
Ready, Perma.
Come back.
Ready, Carvin.
Pwede, ingat ah.
Billion.
Tiklam. May potion kayo? Everyone have potion?
Yes.
We're try headbutt, okay?
Then dyan nasa baba na. Looking to pull to.
Wala. Fake. I'm just
Stacking
taking
yung ano, yung shaper.
Come back. Yo, Wady. Tang ina mo, mamamatay ka sa ganyan. Help Wady, ha?
Hindi,
Wag ganun.
marami pa akong defensive.
Hindi, kung ako yung
Nag-scholar
caller, patay
rope
ka
na
na.
yung perma. Nag-scholar rope na yung perma.
Come back. Yo, you see north side. Look northeast side. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, yo, defend.
Basta kasi niyo caller, ha?
Defend. Grabe duty ako.
Potion.
Okay, come southwest. Just farm them. Keep farming them. Only money glitch, only rigger. Come west mo.
2 minutes.
Just wait.
May
Load it lang.
gatherer ba tayo?
May magat.
Ako.
Putang ina.
Yo.
May ano na. CD na.
Yeah, look. Wait lang. Hold lang.
Stocks ko.
May waga na kita mo yung ano, yung Donsong Patilong Bow sa north side.
Oo.
Kita mo
Wait
yun.
lang, chill lang. Wag. Oh, pangit, mabibait tayo dun. Pag nag-walking tayo dun, choke. Just wait. Antayin nyo lang mabait tong mga tanks. Ang tatanga ng tanks eh.
Ito, tahapin mo.
Uy, na-silence ako yan.
Bibi, pumasok na tank ko. Tulog.
Yeah. Ready, shallow? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Papatay ah. Ba't ang bagal? Come back. Yo, come back. Don't walk in. Come back. Don't walk in. If hindi naman tayo sa engage, Carbo, wag. Pointless, Carbo. Kill Carbo. You see north side tank?
Perfect seconds.
Sige lang. Mag-fake lang ako. Kita nyo yung northwest side? CD.
Ready.
Perma ready.
Wait lang after
Wait.
Guardian.
Yeah. Wait. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ito na. Spread boys. Come west.
They're looking.
Come west, boys. Potion. Potion, boys. Come west. Northwest. Ba't di naman tayo? Hindi ko rin nakatap.
Bay, labas ka na, Northwest Bay, labas ka na, click ka na.
Come out. Come out, boys.
Ay, dito lang pala, boy.
Careful on the choke.
Pangit tong angle natin niya. Stay behind me. Pag-guard drone ako. Mag-walk-in tayo, guys. Okay, we're gonna do the walk-in jacket. Okay, we're gonna do the jacket shit. It's okay. We just wait for stock. Yeah. We wait for stock. Just wait. Yo, careful. That's wait. Potion. Gago kayo.
Oh, patay ata. Buti na buhay ako.
Potion. Wait. Ready? On the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now. Okay, nice. Spread, boys. Okay. I don't want you to die. Come west more. CD. Come west more. Don't give them free engage.
15.
Please, if they engage ako lang. Pag nag-engage sa akin lang, please. Come northwest more. Wait, di ingat ah.
Agree. Huwag kang talon ng ganun.
Oo, wag.
Kahit yun lang, mabubuhay.
Guys, ready ko kayo, okay? Wait. Azir, heal up. Nice.
Oh, i-drop ng
Shallow.
Exo.
Get stuck. Southeast gate.
Looking up.
Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice. Okay,
Na-defend
yo.
ko, na-defend ko,
Ready defend. Nice.
na-defend
Kill
ko.
this motherfucker. Loot. Farm the motherfuckers. Yo. Not all. Ako lang. Ako maglulot. Okay, let me gather. Ready, fuck? We're gonna walk in next engage, okay? We're gonna walk in next engage. Yo.
Cooler gather.
GG na daw, GG na daw.
Pero GG. Where's, ano ba to? Fix fight ba to?
Walk in, step up. Yo, step up.
Anong GG?
Step up. North shallow, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill this motherfucker. Okay.
Running na ba?
Running na. Sorry, stop.
Mountain na.
Dahil dyan, stop. You have extra money.
Okay na to. Ako na yung loot sa car.
No, may baliw. Nagpirma.
Hey, chase
Uy,
the motherfucker.
uy,
Chase the
uy.
motherfucker.
Tangina.
Yo, chase that
Wag na, wag
motherfucker.
na.
Okay, chase the motherfucker. Pabantay ako isa sa hide. Chase the motherfucker. Yo, chase the motherfucker. Ready, shallow? Paperma nga ako, Pao.
Ayun na.
Ready, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ito, makikidnap ko pa to.
Meron pa dito,
Come
meron pa
out
dito.
na. Nice. No one died.
Sila pa yung
Wala,
taano. Gago.
Durog, boy.
Patay si
Pinaparm nga
Lane.
namin. Only rigger stock.
Patay si Lane niya.
Hindi, nasa castle yan. Ako lang namatay niya.
Ito po.
Ay, si Tente.
Patay niya.
Uy, gago.
Nabibitin niya. Nabibitin
Lumusot mo eh.
Wala lang tayong shaper, pero tang
Nakaano sa kuya po. Nag-boots.
Ito na ba yung
Nag-boots ba eh?
bonus sa buhos?
Ay, split. Yung off-time shaper nila, di naman marunong. Nakakahiya.
Ano si attitude? Wala.
Wala.
Sarap ng spec. Ganyan, pagka ano, nagagather mo.
All.
Gusto ko yung audio ko sa dyan.
Mabs.
Babag talaga sa Terry. Sobrang tagal.
Ang bagal mag-gather.
Ito si Macaroni, no?
Siya yung ano? Icicle.
Sayang, di natin namatay yung... Ay, napatay pala natin yung Sakram Zerul. Nice, testokin kita.